Weatherman Andrew coming back at you. I'm butt naked now on the balcony, as you can see. You know, I smell something that smells like fire. We got severe gusts coming through, up to 300 miles an hour. What else we got going here? I see some debris in the yard. My flashlight's already, you know, going out. It's garbage. Look at all the siding on the ground. You can't see it probably. So we're just there's a lot of shingles down right now. A lot of shingles. God, this is awesome. Another shingle down. Another one. Another one. Whoop. Show you this tree. This is about all I can see is this tree. Let's check it out. Oh gosh, another one. This is one for the record books, people. I am out here in my nighttime wear. Oh gosh, there's a shingle on my foot. And I am out here trying to get you quality footage of Zeta. So, let's get back to it. Alright, we're back. You know, there's stuff flying everywhere. Hope everybody's doing okay though. On a serious note, we have a rare larvae in here. But I love it. I mean, I enjoy this. I want to be out here. I see flashlights. It feels like somebody's walking around down there. What the heck? Are they crazy? Yeah, this is crazy. I love that word crazy, don't you?